Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get Discord guild tag and create Discord guilds without access to the future. Start by selecting the games your guild plays together. You can add or change games later. Next, set the play style like casual or hardcore. To establish the guild's vibes, choose the demographic and requirements for members such as game ranks or minimum ages based on the guild type. Describe the guild's interest by picking at least 3 traits, whether it's shared love for certain topics or music genres. Then write a discovery description that highlights why someone should join your guild and what it offers. You can even capture your guild's essence in the 3 words. Create a guild tag up to 4 characters and badge the member can proudly display. Customize the badge colors and design to match your style. To make your guild visually unique, set a banner color scheme or use the eyedropper tool to choose custom colors and pick a banner style like castle or world map. Lastly, create an application for potential members. Include questions like why do you want to join or more playful ones like what's your favorite dinosaurs to get know applicants better. Your guild is now ready to welcome new member. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.